If you put the vehicle in reverse, you'll actually see this screen right here. It's pointing up for a reason because I have the hood popped open. I don't know if you can see right there in the background. But what I wanted to demonstrate to you was not only does you get these three different angles that you can use, but this is also the same screen you're going to be able to use for your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Currently on this vehicle is 19,622 miles and see where it says trunk open. And then if I let go of the brake pedal, see how the brakes are appearing with the flashers disappearing, appearing, disappearing. And then where it says trunk open, you can scroll down right here and choose what it is on that screen on the right hand side that you want to see. Mainly people choose to see things like their range and their fuel, which you can see right there. On the left hand side will be how you do your audio options, volume up, volume down, skip tracks for your presets. This is your auto down and auto up for the front and the driver's side windows right there. Blind side information in your side mirrors. This is the 2025 Honda Accord SE in Meteorite Gray Metallic here at Tracy Honda. I want to show you all the features and functions, let you know it's working in great shape. No weird noises or sounds here on this vehicle. Make sure you can see a nice high definition video of the vehicle. So when you arrive, there's no surprises. Everything's already been looked at and viewed by yourself. Just a matter of coming down, taking it for a ride, putting the comfort on the multi-adjustable power seat there. Because this is an SE, you're going to get the black caps on your side mirrors. Here's your wheels right there with the wheel locks. Looking very, very sporty. Those are 17-inch wheels right there, made specifically for the SE. You got the black kit on the very bottom of this vehicle. There's your 11th generation Accord front end for the Meteorite Gray. Certified pre-owned vehicle means you have until December 15th, 2031, or 100,000 miles on the odometer that I just updated for you, listed at 29,500 miles, as well as many, many more features and benefits being a certified pre-owned Honda owner. I'm your Tracy Honda Insider at tracyhonda.com. See the shape that the Windows film is in, which is in fantastic shape as well. A look from the back seat to the front seat of your 11th generation interior. Rear passengers not only get ventilation, but high-speed USB ports as well. And another look one more time at those wheels, which are still in great, great shape. But just like to make sure you see everything with the pre-owned vehicles, there's going to get a lot of photos online, but you're not going to be able to see things like the all-weather mats with the high walls. Also with the cargo tray here, you have your split that you can pull right here, or you can pull right here. You also have the hooks right there, those nice hooks right there, great for you got a little bit of shopping you want to do. Pull right here, and then you have a kit. Underneath that kit is your spare tire. So all this comes with it, no extra charge. You got December 2025. Once again, there's your backup camera. Again, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on the left-hand side. You plug right into the multimedia side, or if you just want to charge, you can plug in right there on the right-hand side for the charge. But besides the dual heated seats, this vehicle is here for you to come and check out. Take it for a ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.